Hello students, in this video we can understand a simple problem in complex number. So let's go into the question directly. If z1 is equal to 3 and z2 is equal to minus 7i and z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i, show that z1 plus z2 into z3 is equal to z1 into z3 plus z2 into z3. So we have to solve this and we have to find whether the LHS is equal to RHS. So that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here what is given? Z1 is 3, Z2 is minus 7i and value of Z3 is 5 plus 4i. So we can take LHS. So that is Z1 plus Z2 into the whole Z3. So we can write LHS is equal to Z1 plus Z2 into Z3. So first we have to substitute the value of Z1. So that is 3. Then the next one is plus Z2. So that is minus 7i. Then the next one is the whole into Z3. So here the Z3 is 5 plus 4i. So it is written as 5 plus 4i. So now we have to multiply. So how to multiply? First we have to multiply 3 into 5 plus 4i, then minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. So first 3 into 5 is 15, then 3 into 4i is 12i. Then the next we have to go for minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. So minus 7i into 5 is minus 35i. Then the next one is minus 7i into minus 4i. So here 2i is coming. So it is written as I square. So it is minus 28i square. Then the next one is we have to write the value as 15 as it is, since there is again no constant value. Then the next one is plus 12 minus 35. So that is we have to minus and put the symbol of greater sign. So that is minus 23i. Then the next one is plus 28. How? The value of I square is minus 1. So if you substitute, we get plus 28. Again, if you add 15 plus 28, that is an integer value, that is 43 minus 23i. So the value of LHS is 43 minus 23i. Next we will solve RHS. So RHS here we have to substitute the value of Z1. What is Z1? 3. Then Z3 is 5 plus 4i. Then plus what is the value of Z2? That is minus 7i. So it is written as minus 7i into Z3. So that is 5 plus 4i. So once again we have to multiply as the previous one. So first we have to multiply 3 with 5 and 3 with 4i, since it is inside the bracket. So 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 4i is plus 12i. Then the next step is we have to multiply minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. So minus 7i into 5 is minus 35i. Then minus 7i into plus 4i is minus 28i into I. So that is I square. So the next one is the integer value is 15. We have to write as it is, since there is no other integer. Then we have to minus 12 and 35, and we have to write the value of greater symbol. So that is minus 23i. Then the next one minus 28i. What is I square? So that is minus 1. So minus 28 into minus 1, minus minus plus. So that is written as plus 28. So again if you add 15 plus 28, we get 43 minus 23i. So here the value of LHS is equal to RHS. So thus we can conclude Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. Hope you understood. Thank you.